Alligator Alcatraz detention facility in the middle of the Everglades has no official hurricane plan yet.
That is their hurricane plan, Aaron. You didn't know? There's no hurricane plans in place yet. Yes, there is. It's the reason why they built the cages all the way to the top to cover the entire top. You see, Aaron, the plan is to allow the next hurricane to either blow the entire camp into the alligator-infested waters or for everyone in those cages to drown. That is their hurricane plan, folks. If you were skeptical about it, that time has long since passed. They don't care. There's not going to be any evacuation of the detainees in Alligator Alcatraz. The staff will probably be able to get out. Yeah, but the detainees there, thousands of men are fixing to die. That's the hurricane plan. It's for them to all die. Yeah. And when the storm's all over, the staff will go back out there, clean out any cages that are remaining of the corpses that will be left, and Alligator Alcatraz will be once again open for business. Cruelty's the point. Okay? They see those people down there as trash. Vermin. Snakes. Rats. A nuisance. To be exterminated. Anyway. It's the only plan they got in place. It's the only plan that will ever be in place. And no, DeSantis is fucking lying to you if he thinks that that's going to come close to sustaining a cat. What was it, 3 hurricane? Huh. I doubt it even survives a 1. We all know that the men in that camp probably won't.